No.
You're spraying mud on Daddy's car. Can you go show me?
Yeah, I want you to see.
Why are you doing that?
To Matt. Ah! Wait, we're throwing it to Matt.
You guys on video.
For what?
What is it for, Ella?
We're throwing it to Matt.
To Matt?
Yeah. So, it was so funny.
This is Matt's daddy's friend who's going to borrow the car. And he's going to come over. It's going to be all filled with mud. You got mud all over you.
Hey, Al, can you get in the picture? By the tire. Cool.
Did Chin Chin get muddy too?